In this video, we will solve some more sums based on the centroid. He's saying that A, B and C are the vertices of triangle ABC whose centroid is the origin. Calculate the values of X and Y. So we have a triangle ABC and the coordinates of the vertices are given as 6 and Y. B is -4 and 4 and C is X and -1. Now, he has also given us the coordinates of centroid. He is saying that the centroid is origin. So, what are the coordinates of centroid? 0 and 0, right? Now, using the centroid, we have to calculate the value of this X and Y. Now, we know that this is the X coordinate of the centroid and this is the Y coordinate of the centroid, and X coordinate of centroid is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, right? So this is my x1 y1, this is my x2 y2 and this is my x3 y3. So let me substitute the values. What is my x1? 0 is equal to, what is my x1? 6. What is my x2? -4. And what is my x3? Plus x upon 3. Now this 3 will go here and it will become 0. I have 6 minus 4, which is 2 plus x, right? So what is my x now? -2. I have got the value of x as -2 here. Similarly, this y coordinate 0 is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Right? So if this 3 will go here, it will become 0. Now what is my y1? y1 is y. What is my y2? Plus 4. And this is -1. So 0 is equal to y plus 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So what is your y? -3. So you have seen that how using the coordinates of the centroid, you have calculated the other coordinates of the triangle. Now, another one, he's saying that ABC is a triangle, right? Okay, let's make a triangle ABC. This is my A, this is B and this is C. G, the coordinates of centroid are given 4 and 3. If A is 1, 3, the coordinates of A are given as 1, 3. Coordinates of B are given as 4 and B, and coordinates of C are given as A and 1. Be the vertices, find the values of A and B and hence find the length of side BC. Now, similar kind of question. We can say that this is the X coordinate of our centroid and this is the Y coordinate. So here in the triangle, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. Now this 4 is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3. That's how you must have calculated this 4. We calculate this 4 x coordinate of centroid like this, right? Now this is already given. So we will write 4 is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. So if we cross multiply, we will get 12 equal to, let me see what is my x1, it is 1. What is my x2? It is 4. What is my x3? It is A, right? So 12 minus 4 plus 1 is 5 is equal to A. So 7 is equal to A. I got the value of A as 7, right? Now, similarly, this is my y coordinate for centroid. So this 3 will be equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9 is equal to, let me check what is my y1, 3. What is my y2? It is B. And what is my y3? It is 1. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. If I shift that 4 to this side, it will become 9 minus 4 equal to B. So I have calculated the value of B as 5, right? Now He wants me to calculate the length of side BC. Hence, what does that mean? Using the values of A and B, you calculate the length BC. Now, what are the coordinates of B now? 4 and 5, because B is 5. And what are the coordinates of C now? A was 7, 7 and 1. Now this becomes my x1, y1. This becomes my x2, y2. I can calculate the length BC as under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So my BC is equal to under root of, what is my x2? 7 minus 4, which is 3 square, plus y2 minus y1, 1 minus 5, which is minus 4 whole square. So my BC is equal to 9 plus 16, which is under root of 25. So BC becomes 5 units, right? Okay. Next one. In this video, in this question, he's saying that calculate the ratio in which the line segment joining -4 and 2 and B 3, 6 is divided by the point x3. Okay. Let's have the line segment A, whose coordinates are -4 and 2, and then we have B, whose coordinates are 3 and 6. It is divided by the point P, whose coordinates are x and 3. Fine. We have to find the ratio. Now we know what we have to do. We have to name this as x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2, and this is x and this is y. Now we have to find the ratio, m:n. So what you will do here, you will not use the x coordinate, you will use the y coordinate for calculating the ratio because the number is given. So I will write y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. What is my y? It is 3. What is my m? I don't know. I have to calculate that. What is my y2? I know it's 6. N I don't know. And what is my y1? It is 2 divided by m plus n. Now I will cross multiply. This will give me 3m plus 3n is equal to 6m plus 2n. Now I'll shift this 3m this side and this 2n this side. 3n minus 2n is equal to 6m minus 3m. Now this will become n equal to 3m, right? So what I will do is I will bring this n here and shift this 3 here. So I will get 1 by 3 is equal to m by n. So what is the ratio? I have found m is to n. How much is my n is to n now? It is 1 is to 3. Fine. The ratio is now there. Now the second thing, he wants me to calculate the x. Find this point x. Now simple. I can use the x coordinate, which is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Right? So my x is, now I have m as 1. What is my x2? This is my x2, 3 plus n is 3 into x1. What is my x1? It is -4 divided by n plus n. 3 plus 1 is 4. So what is my x coordinate now? 3 into 1 is 3 minus 12 upon 4. So is that equal to -9 by 4? I got the value of x as -9 by 4. Right? Now, after that, he wants me to calculate the length of AP. Right? Now, what are the coordinates of A? -4 and 2. What are the coordinates of P now? -9 by 4 and 3. Right? Now, we have to find this AP. AP will be under root of, this is now my x1, this is y1, and this is my x2 and this is y2. x2 minus x1 whole square. What does that mean? Minus 9 upon 4, minus minus becomes plus 4 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is 3 minus 2 whole square. So my AP is now under root of, if I take 4 LCM inside, I'll get minus 9 plus 16 and then whole square plus 1, because 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 square is 1. So my AP will be under root of 16 minus 9 is 7 by 4 whole square plus 1. So my AP will be under root of 49 by 16 plus 1, which is further equal to, if I take 16 as LCM, 49 plus 16. So AP is equal to under root of 65, and this 16 we can take out of the square root as 4. This much units is the distance AP, right?